Do you want to speak English clearly and confidently? Follow these 10 simple tips with easy examples. It is perfect for beginners. Number 1. Learn 5 new words every day. Don't learn too many words at once. Learn only 5 simple daily use words and use them in sentences. For example, I go to the office. I go home. I wake up at 6 in the morning. This helps your brain remember naturally. Number 2. Speak English out loud every day. Speaking loudly helps improve confidence and pronunciation. Talk to yourself in English about daily activities. For example, I'm cooking food. I'm watching TV. I'm studying English now. Speaking daily makes English feel easy and natural. Number 3. Watch simple English videos. Watch short English videos made for beginners. Focus on understanding, not translating every word. For example, watch lessons about daily life, introductions, shopping, or daily routines. Listening again and again improves understanding and pronunciation slowly. Number 4. Listen carefully before speaking. Listening is the first step to good English. Pay attention to how words are spoken. For example, listen to sentences like "How are you?" "Where are you going?" Repeating them listening helps you speak correctly and confidently. Number 5. Read easy English every day. Start with very simple English text like short stories or subtitles. Reading improves vocabularies and sentence structure. For example, "This is my house. I live with my family." Reading daily makes grammar and sentence pattern clear. Number 6. Practice common daily sentences. Learn and repeat common sentences used in daily life. This helps you speak faster without thinking too much. For example, "Good morning, how are you?" "I'm fine, thank you." Daily practice builds fluency step by step. Number 7. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning English. Even native speakers make mistakes. For example, if you say "I go yesterday," it's okay. You learn the correct sentence later. "I went yesterday." Speaking freely helps you improve faster. Number 8. Use English in your daily life. Try to use English in small daily activities. Think in English while walking or working. For example, "I'm going to the market." "I need vegetables." Using English daily turns learning into a habit. Number 9. Learn one grammar rule at a time. Don't learn too much grammar together. Focus on one rule and practice it well. For example, learn present tense. "I work," "she works." After understanding it clearly, move to the next grammar rule. Number 10. Practice every day, even for 10 minutes. Consistency is more important than long study hours. Practice a little every day. For example, speak English for 10 minutes, read for 10 minutes, and watch one short video daily. Regular practice brings real improvement. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for daily English lessons, and comment "I'm learning English" to stay motivated. See you in the next video.